Hi guys, I'm Audie. My pronouns are they, them. This is my first YouTube video. I'm going to be showing you how to make these dollar store cyber locks. They costed me about $8 to $10, and I think they're really fun and cool. I am not cyber goth. I am gothic slash alternative, but I really appreciate them, and I thought it would be really cool to make because my favorite color is green. So I'm gonna start the video, and if you like what you see right now, then keep watching. Thank you. So I have 7 of these mesh tubings from the dollar store. They had green, pink, blue, white, and purple, and I got all green. And then when you take them out, they come in this long tube, and then you just measure it to your head and cut where you want it to be. And continue that for the whole thing. I did 1 pack already, and I got 8 little tubes out of it. I'm gonna finish all 7 packs, and then I'll be back. Hi, okay, I'm back in a different outfit. I'll probably be in a different outfit in every clip of this video. I'm about to leave, so I want to show you what I'm doing before I'm gonna take it with me. So I got them cut, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna pinch it up and then press it in and twist it with your finger so that each little piece has an end on it and doesn't come unraveled. So pull it up, press it down, twisty twist. Then we got a little end. And then I took a ribbon and I made it the screen run, and I've just made it super long, and I've started putting them on here. It looks kind of crazy right now, which is okay with me. Super long, and I started putting them on. Let me show you how I put them on. So make sure they're level. Have a little loop. Put the loop under the ribbon, and then grab it like that and pull really tight, and then add it to the bunch. Another one, the ends are already done. Circle under, put your fingers through, grab the 2 pieces, pull them through, and pull like that. And then I'm going to keep doing that until this is like pretty full, and then I'll be back in another outfit. Hi guys, I'm back. My dog is here. We're matching. I finished them. I put all of them on the ribbon. I added a couple pieces of ribbon, and I added 1 of these to each side. I got this from the dollar store as well. And then I put my hair in 2 buns, and I wrapped them around the bun, and I put little green elastics, and that's it. They're a little thinner, that's why I wrapped them around the buns. They're thinner than normal ones would be, but from the dollar store I think they look pretty cool. Yeah, and so that's it, and I will put in some pictures at the end of me and my entire outfit. Okay, thank you. Bye.